wrapping up in 5 seconds. Okay? Wrap up your thoughts in 4 seconds. We're going to wrap up our thoughts in 2 seconds. And we are finishing now. That means you're stopping. Good job, good job, good job. All right, so the point is, what happens to an image when you add value, right? That's the whole thing. That's our whole objective. Our objective is that you guys are going to create an image, and you're going to turn it into a, well, the turn and talk is, what's going to happen if we add value to an image? Chris.
If we add value to our image, a value allows the artist to create a 3D image from a 2D shape.
All right, good job. What else? There's 3 things that can happen when you add value to an image. Give me, Maydot, give me another one.
When you add value to an image, it will look more realistic.
Okay, and there's the last one. What's the last one? Depth.
Depth.
All right, right here. Let's go here. Depth.
Distance between two objects.
All right, so last year we talked about depth real quick. Anybody kind of remember what we talked about concerning depth? We put our fingers, our hands to our face. We talked about some sort of ground. Anybody? Foreground. Sound familiar?
Yes.
Middle ground.
Oh, yes.
Background. All right, well, that's,
background.
yeah, good job. Remember 1 out of 3. Great, you man. All right. Today, what you guys are going to do, you are going to get a hand. This is a 2-dimensional hand. And we're going to add value. Before we add value to our picture, we have to remember and go over a couple things. All right? Remember, value is adding lightness and to a color. Depth, we know, is the distance between 2 objects. Realism, right? Realism, you're making something look realistic. You're making it true. So if Maydot was to draw Mr. Gardner's face, right? And she put me with locks, would that be truthfulness to me? No, right? She would have to draw me with no hair. And the last one, which is really important, is the light source. You guys remember what the light source is?
Yes.
Give me an example of a light source.
The light source is like in a scale. It goes from light to dark.
What is the source of light? Light source.
The light source.
What's the main source of light?
The main source of light is the sun.
Is the sun. That's one example. Give me another one. Chris.
The lamp.
A lamp. One more. Over here. Give me an example of a light. She said fire. Good job. All right. So before we start to put value on this 2D shape, all right, we have to make sure that we know where our light source is coming from. So if our light source is coming from the left, where should our shadow be?
Right.
All right. Okay. So once you finish today, this is what your hand should look like by adding value. We're making depth on this picture. We're adding 3D to this 2D. And we're also making it look, what's the last one? Because of the R. Realistic. All right, good job.